Hey everyone, with Last Fantasy Gaming, we are doing Patreon for October 2025. I believe this is part two or three, don't know, but it will be in the title for you down below for you guys. We'll be looking at some D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures for your 3D printing needs. We'll be doing our Patreon version, my Patreon version, tomorrow on Wednesday. Check that out. Probably gonna be my last Patreon one for myself. Did not make the cut in many ways. Uh, just to let you guys know about that. Well, anyhow, subscribe, like, and share. Check our Patreon Discord, and let's get started. So we got White Werewolf. We got a lot of looks like gnomes and some other things I really don't know, but we can watch the video for it. Looks like we got some type of a. They're not harpies. Werewolf tavern type sense. Yes, we know. We got the spirits of Slavic myth. So this is about Slavic myth, the Swan Princess, Baba Yaga. You got a lot of different variation of Baba Yaga now. Vivi, by the control of the Baba Yaga. Zoria Polava Set, probably maiden with the harvest, I believe. This is Dovovik. They look like gnomes, to tell you the truth, or dwarves. Just drunken dwarves in many ways. And we got Saren set. More bird-like than anything else. Then we got the bust for it as well. Crippling God Foundry, October. Looks like we got some hags, some evil treants, an elemental, elves, and I don't know what these guys are, but yeah, we got the covens. So basically, anything that revolves around hags, you can probably find a whole bunch about in many ways. STL Miniature is a good one. They do also Kickstarter for sci-fi bits, but STL Miniature, these are the ones I really do like because they do a lot of good terrain pieces. Uh, this is probably the ship stuff for it. Crocodile, no, that's Crocodile Handler set. No, Falconry set. Falconry. So we got Falcon set, Falconry set. I'm surprised they have one bird, but I don't see a whole bunch. Hopefully there's a nest of them out there. Crocodile set, capture as well. Good to have a whole bunch of these things. It will help you guys out a lot. So we got some extra minis, some trains. Oh, this is the individual one that they have so far. I actually never really used much of actual animals in D&D. A lot of guys they don't really go for it because they don't give that much XP. Dragon Tapper's Lodge. Hopefully we got some scary, spooky stuff. We got the Cryptid Codex. Looks like we got some different types of animals, like mixture of like two different types of animals mixture. Salvagaster, Nessie, Sasquatch, Zala and the Cryptid Expert, Duke Lux, Global Elite, Fetcher Grib, Cryptid Hunter, Marrow Tinfoil Knight, Jackalope King, Greys, we got some Greys aliens, Jackalopes, Chupacabra, Mothman, Nightcrawlers, Not Deer, I'm guessing a Mimic, Wendigo Ancient, Skunk Ape. These are like all like those freaking eluded myths of the freaking in North America. I want to see there's another one. It's the Spore Sovereign Part preview. I'm trying to see. We can get some of them. There you go. You got some micronids, whole bunch of fungi. Yeah, man. I don't mind playing around with fungi. Underdark's really fun to do venturing around. You can do so much stuff with it, but you gotta make sure your players are high enough level for that. Nom Nom figure. Let me go post. Let some post for this. They do figures, so we got Armstrong for the loot. November models. Your keycap, Halloween keycap one to print out and paint out for yourself. Let's see here. October models. We got these are gonna be the full. These are the extras. Then that's Little Nightmares 3 over here. Uh, Qatar. I got her name. Hollow Knight. Never watched Demon King, Demon Hunter. There's your loot and your chippies for this month. Ruben, another good one. They do figures, very lewd and provocative figures. October is your October one as well, and your welcome pack down below. Titan Forge miniatures. They do some Warhammer a lot of times, but I don't think we got a lot of Warhammer stuff. But I know some of these Mind Flayer you can proxy for your Tyranids if you really want to. So we got like the whole if Lithithin, I forgot to pronounce it. Mind flares every type, so you also got the ships as well. You got Tiamat and I forgot that name. Animated object, mimics, and we got NPC heroes as well. Or PC heroes if your players can use one of those for it. My 3D Print Forge, this is basically World of Warcraft, if you're interested in that, or Warcraft in general. I think we're doing Night Elves, I believe, the Void Elves. I have not played a new expansion, and I'm not willing to play a new expansion. After, like, Cataclysm, after, Pandaria, a lot of the expansion just went down to shit, in my opinion. I was so dedicated, spent thousands and thousands of dollars on World of Warcraft. Now I'm just, don't really care much about it. Sylvanas, I don't know, a lot of these characters are. They unlocked the Void Elf in one of those the jailers thing. Don't really remember much. But yeah. If you need Void Elves for your campaign, go for it. Or they could probably use these as Space Elves if you really want to. The Space Elves kind of look like this as the Spelljammers. They're very, ornate. Hell's creators, we got Raphael. It's coming out in the scene. We also got K-pop Demon Hunter Myra for this month. There's a plan for release. I want Tasha. The rest I really don't want. In many ways. OXO 3D figure, another figure ones as well. Melania, Rebecca, that's September release. October lineup for this month. Avera, two of the Demon Hunters. Psylocke, I forgot this one from Mortal Kombat called. Probably want her and Avera. I have a lot of Psylocks in my thing for it. It's going to be the last one. Sever Forge Miniatures. There's also going to be Proxy, hopefully. Yes, we do. We got the Corn Army right there for your proxy needs. Your sci-fi and your terrains. So we got, looks like, corn armies, berserkers, and so forth. That'll be good. You get your sci-fi bits here. And yeah, it's pretty good looking. Demons. We do need corn demons a lot more. I don't have that much of it in many ways. I wonder if it was that Kara from the sci-fi portion of it, terrains. Well, yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our page in Discord, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.